Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, December 4th. This is my second vlog type video. It is 10:50. So far this morning, I woke up, I talked to my mom on the phone for a little bit, and then I started to make our dinner, which I am making crock pot chicken enchiladas. I was gonna kind of film me making it, but since I woke up pretty late, I had to just get it in because it takes like 6 hours and we don't want to eat really late. So I will just show you what I did, and I will leave the recipe down below if you want to try it out. It's really good, and I'm so excited that we're having that, even though I've been super sick and haven't been able to eat anything. I'm excited. So this is what we got here. So basically it is 3 chicken breasts, some salt, some pepper, taco seasoning, so taco seasoning, a whole packet of it. And then it's 6 ounces of cream cheese, and then it's just a 1/4 cup of water. And then you just put it all in, and then you let it cook for about 4 to 6 hours. And then afterwards, once the time's been up and like the chicken's fully cooked, you shred it up, mix it up. You add in cheese, you can add in like peppers and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then you throw them in the tortilla shells, which I have up here all ready to go. So you throw them in that, and then you roll it up, and then you put it in the oven for like 8 to 12 minutes. So it's a really simple recipe, and it's so good. We've had it a couple times before. I don't remember where I found it. Obviously I was just looking online and was like, ooh, this looks good. So I'm excited for that. My boyfriend's coming over later today, and yeah. Oh, I don't have work today. I have a day off, so I'm gonna get lots done, I hope. And sorry for my hand in front of the camera. I'm trying to make my coffee, so I'm not so grumpy. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'm gonna watch some TV. I'm gonna eat some breakfast. Then I'm gonna go shower. So that's the plan. Hey guys, so as you can probably tell, I forgot to end the little cook with me vlog yesterday. I was kind of just filming that as a short little video to put up. Nothing real special. I'm sorry for the background noise right now. Renovations are happening. I can't control that. But I did forget to end the vlog yesterday, so I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you try making what I made, let me know. I'll leave the recipe down below. It was so good. I wish I could have showed you like more in depth and like what it looked like after it went in the oven, but I'm really awkward vlogging around other people, and my boyfriend was there, my parents were there, so it was just like really weird, but I did film a little bit for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow in my next Vlogmas video. Bye guys!